आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो हेलो वोटर, हर वोट है जरूरी।
इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के ए वेब सेंटर ने की 26 नवंबर 2021 को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय वेबिनार की मेजबानी और इस एक दिवसीय वेबिनार का मुद्दा रहा
चुनावों में महिलाओं, PWDs यानी कि पर्सन्स विद डिसेबिलिटीज और सीनियर सिटीजन मतदाताओं की भागीदारी को बढ़ाने के लिए बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस और नए इनिशिएटिव्स को साझा करना।
इसी अवसर पर प्रतिभागियों को संबोधित करते हुए निर्वाचन आयुक्त श्री अनूप चंद्र पांडे जी ने कहा,
As per the World Bank report, 1 billion persons or approximately 15% of world's population experiences one or the other form of disability. Persons with disabilities face barriers to their wholesale participation in the electoral process. The pandemic increased these existing barriers for them. This requires that all the EMBs, they should make more sustained efforts to engage and involve the PWDs in the election process. These gaps arise due to various factors, whether it be the inaccessible polling places or obstruction in the walkways or difficulties in reading the information material or communication barriers, difficulties of a woman, disabled voter and her need for assistance varies from that of a male disabled voter. EMBs have made different efforts to address these issues. Accessible elections was declared as a theme for year 2018. Over the years, Election Commission of India has undertaken various initiatives like postal ballot facility, Braille Epic, transportation to and from the polling station, exhaustive mapping of the PWD voters, assured minimum facilities, as well as a comprehensive nationwide multimedia campaign to ensure that the mandate of the Election Commission, that is no voter to be left behind, is fulfilled in letter and spirit. Since the pandemic, we have extended postal ballot facility to senior citizens above 80 years of age, PWD and COVID-19 positive and suspect voters, and also voters under home quarantine and institutional quarantine. Detailed protocols have been devised and implemented to distribute forms to senior citizens at their homes and get them collected within 5 days. I would say that we are continuously striving to ensure that the elections are more accessible.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो हेलो वोटर, हर वोट है जरूरी।